Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm just going to be giving you a quick tour of the Spirit of Seattle boat. This is the boat I took my Seattle Harbor cruise on. I thought I'd just show it off. So we're starting at the bottom deck. As you can see, there is really no one here. For some reason, no one wanted to sit down here, and the bar down here was actually closed. So just going to walk around it real quick and show you. You can see the bar up ahead, which, as I said, was closed during this journey. I actually kind of liked it down here just because there were less people. And you can see the doors where we got on and off. And then look out the window and see the beautiful harbor area. Now what you can't hear, because I did decide to put the audio here afterwards, is the roaring of the engine, which might be a big reason why no one wanted to sit down here, because it is very loud in this area. And there you can see the beautiful Seattle skyline and the iconic Space Needle. So now as we turn the corner here, this door actually leads to the engine room. And then there's bathrooms on each side and stairs to the second story. So out the back of the second story is a nice little viewing area. It wasn't too crowded, and you can go out here and watch the back of the boat, and you can see the water as it's left behind. And it's just a nice little outside area. And again, you can just see the water as it's being left behind by the engine. There are some chairs here if you want to sit in the shade, but I preferred to stay near the edge. Now this is the second level deck. Again, there weren't a ton of people here, but there was the bar up here, which sold various refreshments and alcohol, and overall had a pretty similar shape to the first story. However, as you'll notice as I get closer, the second story, or the second floor, actually has a little deck out front, which was very cool to see. So, walking out there right now. Now, sadly, they do have the tip roped off, so you can't really get near it and have your Titanic moment. But you can still see a great view. Again, there's the Seattle skyline. And then we have this very nice staircase that you can go up here to the third floor, which is the busiest floor because it is an open top deck. To the right, as we walk up here, you can see where the captain sits and navigates the boat. And as you can see, many people are sitting up here because this is where you can get the best views, and it's in the direct sunlight, which a lot of people really wanted that day. And then we have one of our tour guides, and then we have this piece of equipment on the boat that I actually do not know what it does, but I thought it was pretty cool. And then once again, we are coming to the back, and that is the full tour of the Spirit of Seattle. I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful if maybe you plan on going on one of these cruises. If you did, hey, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.